Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Safari and tapping the tab's icon. This puts you in the tab overview. Once there, tap Private to switch modes. This isolates your browsing from local history and limits cookie storage. Make sure to select the plus button to open a new private tab so pages load clean. You're doing this now to prevent Safari from saving visited pages, searches, and autofill data. If you need to open multiple sites, open new private tabs rather than new windows for consistent privacy. Now navigate as normal by typing a URL or search in the address bar. Private tabs often display a darker interface so you know you're isolated. You can sign into accounts, just remember credentials won't be stored once you close all private tabs. Once done with a site, close its private tab to remove session data immediately. Also, avoid relying on private mode for complete anonymity. It prevents local saving, but does not hide your activity from networks or the sites themselves. To finish, close each private tab or tap private again and return to regular tabs. Closing clears the temporary session data. Make sure to check settings Safari to adjust block cookies or cross-site tracking if you need stricter controls. If pages don't load or sign-in fails, restart Safari and reopen a private tab. This often resolves caching or cookie conflicts. If problems persist, reboot the device and verify iOS/Mac OS updates, because outdated software can interfere with private browsing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.